If you order this, what do you get and how does it work? Instruction manual, unit itself, charging wire back there, and the hardware and the arm. Now this bracket's going to allow you to pretty much put it wherever you want. I have it mounted to the table here and I got the arm mounted. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the unit in. And that just slides in here. You just got to loosen these up. You want it to go all the way down in because this is your focus arm right there. I already put the SD card in there. So we got that in. The power button's on the back side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and push and hold that. You can see it's gonna come on. Just a fantastic little item. If you like I said, if you got to do a lot of small work, I mean, look at this. Look how clear that is. I mean, you can see every little speck of this $1 bill. You can see how much I am zoomed in. You can see I'm aiming right at his face, but it's zoomed in so much you're just seeing all the little lines that make up the image. If you get to a point you want to take video, if you look in this top corner here, it's got a little video monitor. If I push the OK button, it's now recording. You can see it's recording right there. So if you're really trying to record something, you can do that. You can look at things, follow, you know, if you're doing some wiring or whatever and you need to see where things go and be able to recall it, you can record. So that's pretty cool. Push OK, again it stops. Now the other thing is you have this little M right here. Put the M and that's going to change the video mode to camera mode. So then if you just want to take a snapshot of something, get it where you want it, make sure you have it in focus, take a picture, and it took a snapshot of that spot right there. You can see I'm focused in on a small part right, I think it's his shirt, Washington shirt, and look at that. I mean, that's just incredible how much you can zoom in and see with this thing. Just really nice quality. So if you're trying to do some detailed work, some really small stuff, this thing really could come in handy. But if you need to fine tune it, you do have an up and down button right here. It's right underneath here and you can adjust that as well. You can see right there it's a little out of focus. You can just make some minor adjustments and bring it right back into focus. Just a really cool piece. So that's the G right there. How big that G is in the picture. And above it you have these numbers and letters. Crazy. Anyway, this is a really cool piece and really would come in handy for sure for someone who does a lot of small detailed stuff. This really is going to help you out. So these guys are nice enough to send this thing out to me and do a review on it. And of course it has the instructions on how to do everything that's included with it, of course, as well as the charging cable and everything like that. And by the way, the SD card was included as well. Lots of times they don't include that. This, it was included, so I grabbed it out of the package and popped it right in there so you can save your videos and your photos as well. Yeah, hopefully this short video explains to you a little bit about what this thing can do, and maybe you can decide whether or not it's going to be right for your circumstance. But I give it 2 thumbs up. Really good quality digital magnifying glass. Just got to show you one last thing. You can see we're pointing at the eagle there. That is the eye of the eagle. So really cool.